Identify the type 1 error and the type 2 error that correspond to the given hypothesis. The percentage of households with internet access is equal to 60%. We want to identify the type 1 error and then choose the correct answer below. Well, let's take a look at the definition of a type 1 error. Definition of a type 1 error is the mistake of rejecting a null hypothesis when it is actually true. So that means for a type 1 error, you're rejecting the null when the null hypothesis is true. Now again, the percentage of households with internet access is equal to 60%. So we would say that reject the null hypothesis that the percentage of households with internet access is equal to 60% when that percentage is actually equal to 60%. So we would say B is our result. Okay, and then we want to identify the type 2 error. So the type 2 error is the mistake of failing to reject the null hypothesis when it is actually false. So we fail to reject the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is false. So again, knowing that the percentage of households with internet access is equal to 60%, then we would say fail to reject the null hypothesis that the percentage of households with the internet access is equal to 60% when that percentage is actually greater than 60%. In this case here, we would say it is actually different from 60%. So we would say is actually different from 60%. So the answer would be D. And there is our result.